Section 6.7, application of quadratic equations. Let's take a look at the objectives. Solve problem involving geometric figures. Solve problem involving consecutive integers. Solve problem by applying the Pythagorean theorem. 4. Solve problem by using given quadratic model. Here it says hypotenuse. What's hypotenuse? What is hypotenuse? Yes. Hypotenuse is the side opposite of the 90-degree angle. And what is leg? Yes, the two sides that adjacent to what? The 90-degree. Is this clear? Clear or not clear? So let's move on to, so you have here two sentences. You have to decide which word will go which one. Okay? Clear? Example 1. Read Muhammad.
The area of a triangular cell is 32 meters cubed. The height of the cell is 12 meters more than the length of the base. What are the dimensions of the cell?
So there is a boat. Okay, and the boat has a sail. What shape is this sail? It's a triangle. It has what? Height. And it has what? Base. Okay, and it's triangle. What is the area of a triangle? Half base times height. What is the area here? 32. The height of the sail is 12 meters more than the length of the base. What is the dimension of the sail? What's mean dimension? Means he's looking for what? L and H and what else? Yes. So he's looking for the height and the base. Okay. So the area here equal half base times height. How much is the area? How much the area? 32. And he said the height. So the height is 12 more than the base, correct? That's the height. So I'm gonna replace h by what? 12 plus b, correct. So I'm gonna erase this, and instead of it I will put times 12 plus b. Clear? Next step, I have to solve this, right? So you have to multiply the b how many times? How many times? 2 times. So half b times 12. How much this? 6b. Half b times b, half b square, correct? Equal what? 32. Now I'll just make everything in one side. So half b square plus 6b minus 32 equal what? 0. So to get rid of the half, what should I do? I need to get rid of the half. What should I multiply times what?
2.
Times 2, correct. So you're going to get what? What are you going to get?
B.
B square plus
156.
2 times 6, how much? 12 what? 12b, correct. Minus 32. 2 times 32, how much? 64. Can I factor this?
Yes.
So if you factor it, what you gonna get? B will be correct. 64. What are the two numbers times 64 that give you the total of 12?
84.
We have 8 times 8, correct?
Yes.
What else you have? 64 times 1. What else you have? 2 times what? 32. What else you have?
16 times 4.
16 times 4. Which one will give you a total of 12? Hmm? 16 times 4, correct. So this one will be 16 times 4. What about the signs?
Positive.
Positive,
Negative.
negative. And all this equal what? To 0. So B equal how much? Negative 16. And B equal how much? 4. Which one is the correct one and why? Because distance has to be what? Must be a positive, correct. What about this one? Can I use this one? Can I use this one?
No.
No. But this one is yes. Now, so you got B, correct? B how much? 4. How much the height? 12 plus B. Okay. So H in this case equal how much? 12 plus 4. So H how much?
16.
Is this clear?
Yes.
So you get the answer. Any question? Let's go to the next question. I'll let you write it down in a few minutes, okay? I need someone to read. Who's going to read? Khalid.
The length of a rectangle city arc is 6 kilometers, less than twice its width. Its area is 56 square.
Okay, the rectangular. What's the shape of the rectangle? Like this, right? And it has what? Length and width. The length of the rectangle city park is 6, less than twice the width. Is this correct? What I wrote?
No. Yes.
No. I have to do what? Reverse. So we have to reverse this. Why I have to reverse? Why Muhammad? Why you have to revise the order? Because it's less than, so?
Yes.
So you have to put 2W minus 6. Okay? How much the area? He said, how much the area? 56 kilometers square kilometer. Okay? Type. Now he's asking for the dimension. So the area equal what? Length times width. How much the area? 56, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
56. How much the length? 2W minus 6. Where did I get it from? From this one. Is this clear? Times what? Times the width. Is this clear? Now I have to multiply W 2 times inside. So you're going to get 56 equal 2W squared minus 6W. Now let's make everything in one side. Equal what? 0. Can I factor this? So what are you going to get? Before I factor it, can I get greatest common factor? What's the greatest common factor? What's the greatest common factor? Anyone? Is it 2? Yes. So 2W squared divided by 2, what are you going to get? Huh? Anyone? W squared, right? And 6 divided by 2, what are you going to get? 3. 56 divided by 2. How much? How much?
28.
28. Can I factor this? So W, correct? 28, what's the 2 number times each? 28 give you 28 and their total -3. 28 is what? 28 times 1. What else?
12, no, 14 times 2.
Okay. What else? 7 times 4. Which one is the correct one?
7 times 4.
7 times 4. Why? Because you need -3W. So I'm going to put 7 here and 4 here. Which one is negative?
7.
Which one is positive?
4.
So your answer will be what? W equal what? 7 or W equal what?
Minus 4.
Which one I'm going to choose?
7.
Why?
Because when you subtract, it gives you -3.
Correct. So W is 7. How much is N? How much is L? L is equal how much? 6 to W minus 6. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So I'm going to write down here L equal 2W minus 6. How much is W? 7. Correct. Not -4. Sorry.
14 minus 6. 8.
So it's 7 minus 6. 2 times 7? Take away 6. So that's how much? 8. يبقى length how much?
8.
8. Is this clear?
الطريقة مش مدري إذا صح ولا لا. في طريقة مش مدري إذا صح ولا لا.
احنا طلعنا نقطتين بالسبب وماينس 4 اختار اي واحدة منهم حق التعويض.
Can I choose -4? The answer is yes or no? No. Why? Why this one is yes and the other one is no? Because it's negative, correct? It's coming negative. Distance can never be a negative. Yes. So remember this. Distance must be positive. Now let's go for the next one.
I have another solution.
Is it same numbers or different numbers?
Same.
Okay, خلاص. Good.
Can I say it?
Say
English or
English.
we can say 56 multiplied by 4 equal 14. Equals 14. 14 minus 6, 8. Because it says in the question 6 less than twice. So 14 minus 6
Okay,
equals 8.
good. Let's go for number 3. The product of two consecutive positive even integers is 14 more than 7 times their sum. Find the integers. If I tell you open your page in front of you, what page you have?
Okay.
Okay, so x, you have the first page. What happened to the second page? What's the, how much?
X plus 1.
X plus 1. That's if consecutive. But what if it's consecutive even? So the first page is x, the second page is going to be what? X plus 2, correct. Is this clear? So the first number is x, second number is going to be x plus 2. Is it the product? What's mean product? Yes. So the first one is x, the second one is what? X plus 2, correct? So the first, this is the first. X plus 2 is the second number. We don't know. So the product of two consecutive positive even integers is 14 more than 7 times their sum. Okay, I just translated what you have here. Is means what? Equal. 14 means what? 14. 7 more than means what? More than means plus. 7 times, what 7 times mean? 7 times their sum. So the first one is x, the second one is what? X plus 2. Type. So the first thing, let's add the one inside the parentheses. So you have how many x's? 2 x's plus 2 times what? 7. So multiply 7 inside, you get what? 14x plus 14. And don't forget we have how much outside? 14. 14 plus 14? 28. And you have 14x. What about the other side? X times x give you? X times 2? 2x. Okay? Now I can make everything in one side, okay? I'll continue here. So you're going to have x squared plus 2x minus 14x minus 28 equal how much? 0. So this middle two give you a negative 12x, negative 28, x squared equal what? 0. X and x. 28 is what? What's the two number times each other give you 28 and their total is 12? 28 is what? 7 times?
14 and 2.
4. 14 and 14 times 2. So we get put here 12 and 14. Minus or positive?
Positive.
Positive. So in this case, you have how many solutions? X equal negative 2 or x equal 14. Which one I choose? 14. Correct. So we choose 14. Why 14?
Positive.
Positive. So the first number is what? 14. What about the second number?
16.
The second number is 16. Why 16? Because it's x plus 2, right? So 14 plus 2 is how much? 16. So your second number is what? 16. Is this clear or not clear?
Yes.
Easy as easy? Okay, so I'll give you time to copy this.